Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in computer, chapter 5, mouse and input device. So, children, as we know, mouse is an input device. It is used for selecting items for by moving the pointer on a computer screen. So, let's start with learning objectives. Children will be able to know about different types of mouse, identify different activities performed using a mouse. Next, use the mouse to perform drag and drop activities. Okay, now started activity. Which of the following are pointing device? So tick against them. This is in the first picture we see this is a joystick. This is not a pointing device. Similarly, in the B picture we see pencil. Yes, pencil is a pointing device. So tick over it. In the third picture we see keyboard. Again, keyboard is not a pointing device. And in the D picture we see a mouse, and mouse is a pointing device. So tick them. Okay. Now, a mouse is an important part of the computer. It is used to point and select items on the monitor. It also helps to draw pictures and play games. With the help of mouse, we can draw any kind of picture and play games. Okay. Now, mind in hands, a left-handed person uses his or her middle finger to click the left mouse button. Now, mouse pointer. So, you see an arrow head on a screen. As you see here, this arrow is called mouse pointer. This is known as children mouse pointer. With the help of mouse pointer, we can move the mouse on a mouse pad in any direction. The mouse pointer also moves in the same direction on the screen. It also helps to write anything on the screen. Now, again mind enhance, the shape of the mouse pointer changes according to different actions you do on the computer. Now, talking about types of mouse, so a computer mouse can be a ball mouse, optical mouse, or a wireless mouse. So, firstly, we are talking about ball mouse. The ball mouse has a ball under it. The ball moves as you move the mouse on a mouse pad. The movement of the ball moves the mouse pointer on the screen. Okay, students? Now, talking about optical mouse, so this mouse is faster and smoother than the ball mouse. It uses lesser light under it to move the pointer, and also it glows with red light. Yes. Next is wireless mouse. So it is a mouse without wire. It is not attached to the CPU box. It works by sending signals from mouse to the computer. In simple word, as you say, it works like your television remote. Next, trackball mouse. So trackball mouse has a ball on the top that works like a scroll wheel. Okay, as you see in this picture, we move the ball to move the cursor on the screen. Now, touchpad mouse. So it is generally found on a laptop. Next, multi-purpose mouse, a multi-touch mouse. So it is a wireless mouse. The mouse itself is the button. You can scroll in any direction with one finger. Swipe through photos with two, or click and double click anywhere on the top surface. So it does not have any buttons and use multi-touch technology. This is very good in touch. Okay. So student, these are the different types of mouse. Now, using a mouse. So we use the mouse by pressing it buttons. So pressing the buttons is called clicking. So there are three types of clicking: left click, double click, and right click. So what is a left click? Which is done by index finger. So pressing the left mouse button once without moving the mouse is called left click. So what it use? It is used to select an item on the screen, execute command, open directory or URL. So left click is also known as done by index finger. Now taking an example, step 1, take the mouse pointer to the start button, it will get highlighted. Second step, without moving the mouse, now press left button of the mouse with your index finger. You will hear a click sound and see start menu on the screen. Okay students, now talking about double click. So double click is pressing left mouse button twice. Double means twice. So twice quickly without moving. It is used to open programs, documents and folders. Let's take an example. So double click on any icon on the monitor. The corresponding program will open in a window. Okay students, this is your click and this index finger helps in clicking. Now talking about right click. So right click on the mouse will show selection list of menu options. We have to choose the menu options by clicking the left mouse button. For example, right click on a blank area of the monitor, a drop down menu will open. You can choose your desired option from here. Okay student, as you see in this picture, right click. Now talking about dragging and dropping. So this activity is used to move an object around the screen. Select an object, keep the left mouse button pressed and move the cursor. This is called dragging. While when we release the left button after dragging, it is called dropping. Example, to drag an icon on the screen, follow the following steps. Step 1, click the mouse left button on the target icon and hold the mouse properly. Then second, while holding the button pressed, move the mouse in the desired direction. Okay. And in the third step, now release the mouse button. Notice the change in the icon's position as you see in this picture. Now talking about touch screen. So look at these pictures. We can touch with our fingers. So touch screen monitor, touch screen phone, touch screen tablets. So touch screen allow you to touch icons on the screen with your fingers to give commands. So you can click on the screen using your fingers and drag pictures, play games or select and open an item. So a touch screen computer does not require a mouse. Okay students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.